Hi, this is Michelle with GadgetMenders.com. This tutorial will demonstrate how to replace the battery for the iPhone 4S. Please remember that you are performing this repair at your own risk. We cannot be held responsible for any injuries to yourself or damage to your device while attempting this repair. Again, this tutorial is for the iPhone 4S. You will need a new battery kit and the toolkit, available on GadgetMenders.com. Begin by removing the back cover. First, using the mini Penelope screwdriver, remove the two screws on either side of the sync port. Then gently slide back the cover about 1/4 of an inch, which will free the tabs and allow the back cover to be removed. Next, identify the battery connector cover. It's held in place by two mini Phillips head screws. Please pay close attention as these screws are not identical. Keep them aligned so you can identify which one goes where. Also note the antenna connector. This will come loose when unscrewing the battery connector cover, but try not to move it out of place or you'll have to realign it when reinstalling the connector cover. When the two screws are removed, gently pry the connector cover, taking care not to pry at any other connections, taking care not to bend the pins. With the connector freed, it's time to remove the battery. The battery is held in place with adhesive, so it will need a considerable amount of gentle pressure to pry up. Take your time, and be careful of your pry bar location, paying attention not to pry near the volume controls or near other connections. With the battery loose, you can now install a new battery. Compare it with the old battery to adjust the connector ribbon, but be gentle and do not tear or over-crimp the ribbon, as you may break the wires inside. Place the battery in the device carefully and reattach the battery connector. This may take some adjustment so that the battery cable fits into place and the pins are aligned with the connection. Again, be careful not to disturb the antenna connector. Remember that the screws are not identical, and you will have to replace each carefully, including the antenna connector. With the battery connector cover reinstalled, you may now replace the back cover. If you care to customize your device, now would be a good time to replace the cover with a different color or style, also available at GadgetMenders.com. Place the cover so the tabs fall into place, making sure it is flush on all sides, and then slide the cover back towards the bottom of the phone. Reinstall the two Penelope screws on either side of the sync port. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please consider showing your support by subscribing to our YouTube channel. And remember that the parts and tools used in this tutorial, as well as repair and customization parts for iPhone, iPod, iPad, and many other devices are available at gadgetmenders.com. Thanks for watching.